Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. You can find origami, quilling, crafts for kids, greeting cards, paper flower, jewelry making and much more. In this video we are going to learn paper cutting flowers. These are basic steps for stem paper flower making. You can also use it for gift boxes or gift bags. We are making 4, 5 and 6 petal flowers. The same way we can also make 8, 10 and 12 petal flowers. For petal flower making is very simple. We need a square paper, fold it diagonally. Then we have to fold it into half. Then again fold it into half. Now you have to draw half of a petal and then cut it, and the 4 petal flower is ready. Comparing to 4 petal flowers, 5 petal is little tricky. We need a square paper, fold it diagonally, then fold it into half. Then fold the left flap towards the center line. Then you have to mark it. Fold the left edge towards the last crease. That also we are just marking. Then the right flap we are just folding towards the last marked point. Then the left downside edge we have to align towards the right downside edge. That should be parallel. Then the top flap should fall back to the left edge. Now fold it into half and just cut the uneven parts and draw half of a petal and cut the petal. Now your 5 petal flower is ready. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.